In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a portfolio with Framer. By the end, you'll have a brand new portfolio project spun up in just a few clicks, ready for you to personalize. Start on your Framer dashboard. The quickest way to get moving is to create a fresh workspace, so look for the New Project button and click it. This opens the project setup panel where Framer highlights recommended starting points. You don't have to worry about structure or layout from scratch here. Framer provides professionally designed options so you can focus on your content and style instead of reinventing the wheel. Next, switch to the portfolio category. Framer groups templates by purpose, and the portfolio section is tailored for showcasing work. Great for designers, developers, photographers, writers, and anyone who needs a clean, polished presence. As you look through the designs, think about how your work is best presented. Do you want a bold hero with large imagery, a minimal grid to emphasize case studies, or a playful layout with animations? Hover to preview and open details to see how pages are structured and how interactions feel. A quick tip: check that the template's tone matches your personal brand and look for responsiveness cues so your site looks great on mobile, tablet, and desktop. When you find a design that feels right, select the portfolio you want. Clicking the template will create your project with that structure preloaded. Framer will open the editor and drop you straight into the canvas, complete with pages, sections, and placeholders ready to be updated. This is the ideal starting point if you value speed without sacrificing quality. Before you dive into edits, take a moment to scan the page tree and layers on the left so you understand how the template is organized. Notice common sections like a projects gallery, an about page, and a contact area. This will help you replace content efficiently. It's also helpful to preview the site at different breakpoints using Framer's built-in device controls to confirm that the layout supports your imagery and text links. That's it. You clicked New Project, navigated to the Portfolio category, and selected the portfolio that fits your style. You now have a fully structured foundation that's easy to customize with your own visuals, case studies, and copy. In future sessions, you can refine colors and typography, adjust components, and publish when you're ready. For now, explore the template, get familiar with the sections, and enjoy how quickly Framer gets you from idea to a professional-looking portfolio.